Hi everyone, this is Meenal. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to pack a handbag for a long travel or an international travel, and also few features would tell you what are the essentials that you should always have in your bag at all times to make life a bit easier. So here we go. This is my handbag this time for my travel. It's going to be a pretty long travel, and let's see what I've packed in here. So first and foremost, I always try to carry a tiny hand sanitizer case that hangs to your bag like a handbag charm, or a tiny wallet that would hold your hand sanitizer, so every time you want to reach for it you don't have to open the entire bag up, and even your kids can take it very easily if they're not carrying one of their own. So first and foremost, the most important thing when you are traveling, trust me guys, you don't want to miss this. So this is the RFID stop wallet that comes in very handy. It has this really nice key chain thing that has a clasp, and it can be taken off, and it can keep all your keys safe, and it holds all your passports and all your important cards, some cash, and it also has a pocket outside that could easily hold your boarding passes and keep them intact. So this is the first and the foremost thing, and also the phone guys, but in this case my phone is recording this video. So secondly, the card holder, very important again, don't miss this. And the third, and again in no particular order, still yet the very important thing, is all your chargers. So I have a separate bag for it. It has this really cute charging sign on it, I love it. And then I have a tiny hairbrush for my daughter, and I always keep it. Then I have this tiny coin purse. Just a quick tip guys, never keep your change with your money bills. It's a tiny vastu and a feng shui tip. Never keep your coins with your money bills if you trust in anything like that at all. So they say that, to keep the positive energy going on with your money, it's advisable to not keep the change with your money. So that, and one more tip is that always do not keep your receipts of the shopping with your money bills again, because people say, the vastu specialists, they say that when you keep the receipts with your money bills, the energy goes out, and then you tend to spend more money unnecessarily. And okay, so this is another thing that I carry. It's my nail buffer, and I like to keep it. And along with this, I like to keep subtle skin tone nail paint that would go with all my outfits. I like it. And my hand cream, in this case it's the aromatherapy stress relief by Bath and Body Works. I love the fragrance, so does my daughter. And then I realized recently that instead of carrying a big giant hairbrush, if you carry a thin, really easily to fit comb in your bag, it's much easier to carry. Then I have this tiny bag, sorry about the sound. So I have this tiny bag that goes with me pretty much in every handbag, even in my everyday places where I go to. This is my handy to go bag, and this I wanted to actually make a separate video of this. I've never seen something like this. There might be, but my friends, when they saw it, they were so impressed. They were like, you have to make a separate video on this. So as you can see, there's nothing special about this pouch. It's a very normal lightweight fabric pouch, a canvas pouch. And actually my daughter got this in some goodie bag, and I just took it from her. And so this thing came to my mind one day. I was trying to put away some stuff in the bag that I require in my everyday needs in the handbag. I thought, why not put the names of the stuff that needs to go in it. That way, whenever I have not put some stuff back or I ran out of something, I don't have to remember what I need in the bag. So as you can see, I have put pen and paper, mirror, hand sanitizer, and my mini perfume, my business cards, my tiny business card holder, that is, clip, hairband, and a comb. I keep them intact. This is my emergency comb, safety pin, sunscreen, lipstick, eyebrow pencil, band-aid, antiseptic and painkiller, and earbuds, cotton balls, paper napkin, some toilet seat covers and stuff like that, and my mouth freshener. Let's see what's in this tiny bag. You can't believe, guys, what this tiny bag here holds. See this. So this is my tiny notebook to jot down anything on or doodle. I'm old school that way, so I like to carry my own notepad and a pen. And here's my mouth freshener spray. I like to keep my mouth fresh right after I eat. And this again is a very helpful tip. Always keep your emergency comb with a hair tie. This can be sometimes a savior, guys, trust me. And there's this, silly me, but there's this emergency shower cap in case I need it. And there's this banana clip in case I want to keep my hair tied up, extra tiny clutch, and my emergency tiny MAC lipstick. And then there's some vitamins, and again a tiny clutch, and my painkillers, and one more tip, and this is also lifesaver for people who have sensitive skin like me. I on everyday basis wear a Fitbit, and it gives me the metal clasp on the hook. It gives me allergies on the hand sometimes. So this came to my mind that, instead of buying those sport pants because they're a bit thick, I decided to cut my daughter's tiny socks that she doesn't use anymore. They fit me properly on my wrist, and then I put my Fitbit on it, and I have like literally made these of several colors because she has all the colors in the socks possible and that she doesn't use. Instead of throwing them, or this time not donating, they're in good condition, I decided to make bands of these, keep these spare in my bag all the time. And then these are a bunch of toilet seat covers, because at times some restrooms run out of this. And then this, I tell everyone, please use this in public restrooms. Never use a toilet without a seat cover. You never know what bacteria is back. So, and this is my tiny business card holder. I like to keep it. When people know that I'm an artist and a custom designer, they tend to want to know more about me, and I hand them this. So I keep this handy. And so because when you're frying, like just today I'm going to be taking off 3 times and from 3 different airports. Isn't that crazy? So because the high altitude, me and my daughter both have this ear trouble sometimes, so I keep these. They do give you the ear plugs in the flight, but I still keep 2 pairs with me just in case. And then there's this tiny makeup sample thing I, when you buy a lot of makeup and then they give you those samples, I keep them because they're handy. You want to put them on while you're traveling and they come in very helpful. So these are the Nature's Bounty hair and skin and nails gummies that I take on everyday basis. So this again is a sample, and so I don't miss it during my travel. I keep it also. And this is my tiny napkin. Trust me guys, this is a napkin. So cute. And then there's this my tiny emergency mirror. I have one more that I keep in back. And then there's my safety pins and my tiny perfume and my earbuds, some of the facial oil, and there's this oil-free touch-up dry touch sunscreen. So, and some repetition of the things, and a spare bag just in case to hold the tiny trash and things. So can you believe me guys, this tiny pouch holds all this. Okay, and let's see what else do I have. So sometimes the flight gets delayed, and I know people like to spend time on their phone, but it's always handy to keep a book with you. So in this case, I'm carrying The Secret Lives of Great Artists. So I can't wait to start reading this. I have a long stop at the Boston airport, so I'm probably gonna read it there. So, and these are the bread savers. So mint, and this is my iPhone earbuds. I like to keep them in the case so they don't get tangled and dirty. And these are my prescription glasses, my Michael Kors glasses, and my Kate Spade sunglasses. In this case, I'm carrying this one. How does it look? So always make sure guys to keep the the cleaning cloth thingy, whatever you call it, with it. And then I never forget to take my Ganesh with me wherever I go here. So I keep him always with me. He's the one to protect me. And this is my NYX eyebrow marker, and this is the MAC Dangerous Lip color, and this is the MAP Marrakesh, and this one is the Chili. So I am in love with the MAC lip colors guys. And for me, makeup is mainly just doing my eyebrows and my lips. Right now also I'm not wearing any makeup, it's just the eyebrows and the lipstick for me. And I also carry the NYX brow mascara. So one more hair tie guys. Again, this is what I do. Like I told you, that tip, always keep a hair tie on your comb. It can surprise you when you're trying to look for one, and then there you get one. So, and I carry this bracelet bag because sometimes I don't want to wear my bracelets anymore, and I don't want to keep them just in the bag to keep them from getting scratched. So I always carry this. And this is some little bit of tiny jewelry if in case I want to change it. And I keep this box again for my jewelry if I want to remove it or I want to change it. I keep a few items that can go mostly with everything, and it's dainty jewelry, so it's tiny and it fits in this box. And You know how sometimes we remove our stuff and just put it in the bag, and then a few days later we want it and we're not able to find it because we don't remember which handbag we put it in. So this box goes with me everywhere. So that's it, guys. This is my video for the travel handbag packing. I hope you like it. Please leave your comments, suggest me if I'm missing anything. And also, lastly, I picked this time this size for the handbag. It's not really big. I used to tend to carry those big giant totes while carrying while traveling abroad, but this time I decided to take a medium-sized handbag. It's a little bit bigger than the medium size, and guess surprised me. You know, I haven't bought a guess in many years, but I loved it so much that I wanted to carry this in this travel. So believe me, I left my brand new Michael Kors Coach, Kate Spade, everything for this. Love it so much. I really wanted to carry it. So see you next time, guys.